We are absolutely soaked out here.
Oh, wow.
Guys, you are not gonna believe what is stuck in this tree.
No, 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 no.
We can't tow it. Jack says we need to call the chopper.
Help! We need help down here! This is Valkyrie 1. Copy. Cable deployment initiated. Hold your position.
Hook secure. Roger that.
Yes! Woo!
We did it!
They're doing it! Yeah! We did it! We did it! It's airborne! Welcome to the ultimate beachside restoration garage.
All right, push up, everyone.
Keep it steady. Almost there.
Now, the generator's here. Heavy one.
Ready?
Okay, lower it down.
Got it. Almost there.
Careful coming down.
Thanks. Setup looks great.
Yeah, good work, Emma.
Look at this. Mud everywhere, leaves, spider webs. The whole interior is completely ruined.
God, this thing is heavy. Oh! Find anything yet?
Got something.
All right, let's see what we've got in here. Oh, wow, that is not good.
It's a nightmare. But the main frame is somehow straight.
Almost there.
Good work, Jack.
Look at this mess.
It's beautiful out here, though.
Teardown is brutal, but this view makes it totally worth it.
The car is working with great effort and will look like that, Jack. All right, here we go. This is it, the tough one.
Keep it steady, almost there.
It's moving, I'm getting the close-up.
Watch the cables.
What is it? Is it bad?
Yeah, it's really bad. But it's okay, we'll find a way.
You can see right here, this is why it's a total loss. The floor pan is completely gone. There are huge holes all the way through.
Oh, wow. It's clearing. That's incredible. Look at that.
Incredible, Jack. Absolutely incredible.
All right, they're here. Let's get these unloaded. Watch the fragile parts.
Got it, looks good. Yes, finally here. This is it. Perfect. This is exactly what we needed.
The new parts are finally here.
Almost got it. Keep that steady. There. Okay, here we go. Got it. God, this is nasty. Look at this sludge.
All right, keep filming. Hit it again.
It's completely seized. Give me more power.
Look at this. The piston rings are completely shattered and fused.
Let's focus on those deep scratches inside the cylinder walls.
This V8 needs a complete miracle, guys.
No more rust. The salty air can't hurt it now.
All right, that's it for today. The frame is finally painted and ready for the next step. Whoa, looks great, Jack. All right, watch this.
First piston goes in.
Perfect, that's a great shot. Okay, now for the crank.
The heart is beating again.
It's midnight. The ocean sounds are amazing, but he won't stop working.
I think we made it.
It was worth it.
All right, these look solid. Perfect fit, Jack. Now let's get them on.
Here, I made you some coffee. Here.
Thanks, I needed that. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hold it tight.
Got it. One more.
Perfect, looks great. All right, let's get this heavy beast in place.
Easy now, don't drop it.
Got it, just needs tightening.
Perfect.
All right, slowly does it.
Yes, that's it. It's on.
Finally, look at it, look at it.
We did it.
All right, this should hold. Looking good, Jack. Just need the paint. Coming right up, perfect mix.
Oh my God, this is amazing. Look at that shine.
Keep a steady hand, don't want any drips.
The marriage is complete. It fits perfectly.
All right, push it forward.
Got it.
Just a little more.
Okay, hold steady.
Perfect. Now to tighten these bolts.
All right, one last push.
Got it. Connecting the power now.
We have power. The brain is alive.
All right.
All right, that's the carpet done. Just in time, I've got the seat here.
Perfect fit. Oh, this feels amazing.
Perfect fit. The beach awaits. Keep it steady.
I've got a good grip.
Watch the seal.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, press. Got it.
Perfect.
Nice. Now for the grill.
This headlight looks incredible.
Yeah, perfect fit. Let's wire it up.
Next, it's time for the coolant. Look at this neon green. It's so cool.
Terminals are secure.
Oil level's perfect.
Good to go.
Okay, are you ready? Just say a few words about why we're here.
We're here because of the sunrise and this magnificent view.
Yo, here goes nothing.
Yes! It works! It works! Woo! We did it! Yeah!
It's alive.
Can you hear that V8 roar? Oh, I can't believe you're here. Woo.
I told you I would be, my love.
All right, careful, watch the hinges.
Got it?
Tighten that up. Looks good. Now for the coating.
นะครับเดี๋ยวต้องไปแป่นเบียงเลินนะครับสอก็เธอในร้อยนี้เราที่ขอดเป็นคอนจ้องขอบดีครับขอกล่อมพระพงศ์ครับเดี๋ยวต้องไปแป่นเบียงเลินนะครับสอก็เธอในร้อยนี้เราที่ขอดเป็นคอนจ้องขอบดีครับขอกล่อมพระพงศ์
Look at this. Can you believe it's the same car?
From the tree to the beach, incredible transformation.
Absolutely. Check out the before and after.
Look at this. Can you believe this was the engine? It wasn't just fixing a car. We saved a piece of history.
We didn't just fix a car, we saved a piece of history.
Wow, look at that shine. Perfectly clean. And there we have it, the perfect shot.
If you love this 200 scene journey, hit that subscribe button.
All right, that's everything. Good, let's go.
The end. New adventure coming soon.